Hey everyone, welcome back to Twisty Soundy Sounds, a place where to explore the mysterious world of the English pronunciation. And here are the words of today to learn how to pronounce and demonstrate how they are sounded. The first word is an adjective and it is agglutinative. Agglutinative, or we can say also agglutinative, but I would prefer the first one, the first way of saying it. Listen carefully. We say agglutinative. Agglutinative. The second word is the verb agglutinate. Agglutinate. And the third word is a noun, which is agglutination. Agglutination. Let me start with the first one and break down its sounds. We say agglutinative. By saying agglutinative, actually we are uttering 4 vowel sounds. So let's make the syllabification clear. Agglutinative. Actually, you are hearing 5 vowel sounds. Therefore, this is a pentasyllabic word, which means it consists of 5 syllables. But the stressed syllable is glue. As you see, it is underlined. The first sound is which is the schwa sound, very quickly pronounced. And the second sound is stressed, which is the main stressed syllable. We say agglutinative. Agglutinative. The second word is the verb, and this is how we divide this word into syllables. Agglutinate. This verb contains 4 syllables. Therefore, it's a tetrasyllabic word, which means it contains 4 vowel sounds. Agglutinate. Agglutinate. And the stressed syllable is also the second syllable. It is showcased and underlined. Glue, we say agglutinate. And the last word is the noun, which is agglutination. Agglutination. Let's make the syllabification clear. Agglutination. This word contains 5 syllables. Therefore, it's a pentasyllabic word containing 5 syllables. But the stressed syllable here goes back to the syllable number agglutination. Syllable number 4. Nay. We say agglutination. And we can also say that it contains a secondary stress, which is the second syllable. Glue. Listen carefully. We say agglutination. Agglutination. Secondary stress. It is the second syllable, and the primary stress, it is syllable number 4, nay. We say agglutination. The meaning of this word is simply, it comes from the verb to agglutinate, and it also comes from to glue, and to glue is to stick, or to match, or to unite, to combine word elements together, to form a mass, linguistically speaking, to form a mass word. That's the meaning of agglutinate. Now we go back and practice them again. The first word is agglutinative, the second word is agglutinate, and the third word is agglutination. Okay, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to hit the button, like and subscribe. If you have any comments, any question, please feel free and leave it on the bottom on the section part. Thank you and goodbye.